Today, we're making possibly the easiest brownies in the world. I found this little number, Krusties, at Kroger's. It is all measured and weighed out. All you have to do, according to the directions, is cut off the top, squeeze it in your pan, bake it, and you got brownies. Everything is already in there. So let's do this together. I've prepared the pan. I lined it, sprayed it. Now I'm going to cut off the side of the Krusties. Hope I'm saying that right, and I apologize if I'm not. And then it says to just pour it in. I'm going to start from the bottom and work up like you do toothpaste. Not the most attractive picture, but it's okay. It's okay. This is in the refrigerated section at Kroger's. So when you get it home, if you're not going to use it right away, you want to put it in your refrigerator until you're ready. Okay. Okay. Now this is my first time using it, so I'm new to it as well. But I said, oh my gosh, I've got to try that. And I must tell everyone throughout the land. Okay, so it looks like that is the end of it. Okay, we're going to spread that out. Okay. Trying to determine if there's nothing in there. I thought maybe there might be nuts. No, it just says chocolate brownie. Okay. Okay. All right. So here we are going to, sorry. Okay. We are going to put it in a preheated 325-degree oven, and then we'll be back. Okay, it's been 33 minutes plus a few extra minutes to let it cool. Now let's see what we have. It cooked very nicely. I was going to lift it off, but I'm not going to mess it up. Okay, we will take a corner piece. What's your favorite, corner or middle? My daughter cuts it out of the middle. Still a little warm, but still looking luscious. Now I'm going to change the camera to me so you can see my reaction. Okay, I have got it right here. That is good. I ain't even playing. That is good. I did not expect it to be that good. Here's what it is. Now, I don't know if I'm saying this right. I don't know if I'm... Krusties sounds like I'm saying it wrong. Krusties? I don't know. Anyway, it's new. I found it at Kroger's. All you do is squirt it in your pan. And I cooked mine for 33 minutes, and it came out delicious. Very moist, very fudgy. I mean, if you wanted to be crazy, you could add nuts or chocolate chips. This is good on its own. Surprisingly good. So, that's all I got. I think it was like $5. Yeah. That's all I got. Tomorrow, I will have something else that I found that I've never seen before. Get ready for that. I'll see you. Have a good day.